6 little buns. Beautiful princess. This is an alien, the alien cat. She's not growing. She's like a little spoon. It's like compared to this one. This is Gypsy. It's huge. Yeah, and you're tiny little bun. A little bun. This is Prada. Prada, say hello. And no, this is Gucci. Sorry, this is Gucci. This is Prada. 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 Dulceața mama frumoasă. Ce faci acolo, iubire? Iubirea lui mama, Dulce. Dulcecica lui mămica. Miau, miau, miau. Au! Nu mușca, băi, că mă doare. And this is Coco Chanel. Coco Chanel. And there is the tiger one is Tiffany. And this one is Balenciaga. Balenciaga. Oh my goodness. And Tiffany. Tiffany. Pew. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I'm very rich. I'm a rich girl. I have 6 kittens. And I also have I have a cat which will be in a month. She will become a mom. Somebody brought it to me and has to be taken over in about few days. And I have also mine 2 cats which are adults. This little buns was found at 2 weeks old inside a sack on the roadside, side road. Side road. This is Tiffany. Tiffany, dulceața la mama. Ce faci acolo, mămică? Hai, uitați la mama sus pe pat. Haide, Nicoase. Ia la mama. Aici, Tiffany. Tiffany. Adorable. This is this adorable Musetto. La Musetto de mămica. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my goodness. Give me my titty. I want to suck my titty. I want a milk. Where is my milk? Huh? Give me my milk. What happened? What happened? Oh my goodness. Parcă e o capră. Oh my, parcă ești o căpriță. Oh my god. So we have for these little banditos we have something which is real canine for babies and real canine milk for babies, cat babies. So we have the cat formula, kitten formula actually, and also this very good food for this tutunei frumușei. Yep. Pew. Pew, 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 pew. La plantiantică mama. He's my little alien. She's not growing. She's drinking only milk. She's not eating like the other sisters. There are 5 girls and that one is a boy, Gucci. The only boy. And they are already everybody are eating the food for kitten. Like she's drinking only milk and just a little bit. So it's so problematic with her. I think I'm gonna go her to the vet and we will get some vitaminization injection for this little bun because it's like a finger. It's like a finger so small. Mama mia, so small. It's so small. Dulceața lui mama. Da, mămică. Hai să dimite că este iubire lui mama. Dulce. Dulceața lui mama dulce. Că parcă nici nu crește măcea asta. Cât mănâncă și nu crește. Dar de ce nu crește, mămică? Pentru că mănâncă puțin. Da, ia că se o doarme. Mămică, o ne dezește o leacă. O ne lui este de mă doarme. N-ai na plângeanțică lui mama dulce. Dulceața lui mama și măță, mamițchi. Cine are să măță, mămică? Cum a putut să vă arunce oamenii și răi într-un sac? Cum a putut ei? Așa niște dulceței. Cum? Doamne ferește. Upsi. Da, mămică, da. Dulceața lui mama dulce. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Dun dun dun. This is Prada. Oh my goodness. So, currently, 5 of these kittens are looking for adoption in Republica Moldova, in Chisinau. So, all of these, except this one, which is mine. This Prada. It's a girl, and she's mine. This is the only boy. I will show you. This is the boy, and they're like a peach color. It's really beautiful color. So the only one boy, and this is this is Balenciaga. It's a girl, and also this is a girl. This is Gypsy. She's so beautiful. She's sleeping. She and also mine cat are sleeping with me because they're coming during the night. They somehow managed to take on the bed because this is pretty high bed. It's really high bed, but they're managing somehow to get on. And yeah, they're sleeping with me. So this is Tiffany. Tiffany is really loud. It's the loudest from them. Actually, Gucci, this one, he has so oh my god, how is it in English? The opposite of loud voice, the opposite is almost silent with the voice. As you can see, he has a voice, yeah? It's not muted. But it's really like the volume it's turned completely down. Little mama Dulce. It's so beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Yeah. They all have their personality. It's amazing. Anyone has something like special in it. And it's belong to it's personal to everyone. So this has to be cleaned. It's Balenciaga, I love you so much, Balenciaga. It's so beautiful. So Miu there is close to the door, and Miu want to come inside, but okay, we can let him in for a little bit. What is there, mommy? What is there? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh, these eyes! Mamma mia! And we have here this little man who's watching. He's watching her sisters. Yeah. Ce puse lui mamă frumoasă, Doamne, să ne place. She has these eyes is like hypnotizing you. I love her. It's hypnotizing. Oh my god. Like compare this, and this. Like how big is it? And how small is this puțulica? Nya, nya, nya. De ce nu crești, fa? Pisca șmisca. De ce nu crești? Nici sestra mea micitică. Nanogată. Microgată. Micromâță. Micromâță. Țup, 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 țup. Țuțunica lui mama, țuțunica. Țuțunica dulce lui mama. So, two fighters. Two fighters are fighting. And this one. Oh my goodness. What's. Ușor, mămică, nu scrie. Uite, ce acolo? Oh my goodness. Hey, easy. Easy. Yep. These are my kittens.